Hello students. In the last lecture, we have seen how to write a simple Hello World program using console and forms. So in this lecture, we will have a brief overview of VB.NET. We will discuss its features and some advantages and disadvantages. So VB.NET stands for Visual Basic.NET, and it is a computer programming language developed by Microsoft. It was first released in 2002 to replace Visual Basic 6 or VB6 as was commonly known. So Visual Basic.NET is a successor of VB6. VB.NET is an object-oriented programming language. This means that, so you might have heard about other object-oriented programming language, that is C++, Java, Python, and so on. So the object-oriented programming paradigms or features, that is encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction, and inheritance, they are also supported by VB.NET. So VB.NET runs on the .NET framework. So during installation also, if you remember the installation video, we saw something known as .NET framework, right? So VB.NET runs on the .NET framework, which means that it has full access to the .NET libraries. It is a very productive tool for rapid creation of wide range of web, Windows, Office, and mobile applications that have been built on the .NET framework. So let's see what this .NET framework is exactly. So the .NET framework is a virtual machine that provides a common platform to run an application that was built using different languages such as C#, VB.NET, Visual Basic, etc. So the .NET framework is nothing but a platform. It will help other programming languages such as C#, Visual Basic, VB.NET, etc. to run on this platform. So it is also used to create a form-based, console-based, mobile, and web-based application or services that are available in Microsoft environment. So using this .NET framework, you can develop form-based or console or mobile or even web-based applications. The .NET framework is purely object-oriented but not platform independent. So its applications run only in Windows platform. So you will find that the .NET framework is only specific to Windows. The main objective of this framework is to develop an application that can run on the Windows platform. So this slide is not part of your syllabus, but I'm just showing you to show the components of the .NET framework. So as you can see in this diagram here, on the top level you have different programming languages. You have VB, C++, C#, JavaScript, and so on. So all these languages, they are covered by the .NET framework. So next we have the features of VB.NET. VB.NET is not case sensitive like other languages such as C++ and Java. So you can type in either uppercase or lowercase in your programs. It is an object-oriented programming language. It treats everything as an object. So everything that you type in the code will be treated as an object in VB.NET. It has automatic code formatting, XML designer, improved object browser. It has automated garbage collection. It supports Boolean conditions for decision making. So we'll see Boolean conditions in the later on. See, it has simple multi-threading, allowing your apps to deal with multiple tasks simultaneously. It has simple generics. It has a standard library. It has events management. It has references. That is, you can reference an external object that is to be used in a VB.NET application. it has attributes, which are tags for providing additional information regarding elements that have been defined within the program, and then it has Windows Forms, which you can inherit from an already existing form. Next, we come to the advantages of VB.NET. So the advantages are, first is your code will be formatted automatically. So no need of doing formatting on your own. The VB.NET is a powerful software, so it will format the code automatically. You will use object-oriented constructs to create an enterprise class code. So your code will have object-oriented constructs, that is encapsulation, polymorphism, and so on. So we'll discuss later on in the successive lectures. You can create web applications with modern features like performance counters, event logs, and file system. So you can create your web forms with much ease through the Visual Forms Designer. You will also enjoy drag and drop capability to replace any elements that you may need. So if you are doing a project, okay, like if you do your right now, I think BTech or MTech project later on. So if you are doing a project using to develop a software application, so you can use VB.NET Forms to create your projects. So next you can connect your applications to other applications created in languages that run on the .NET framework. So that is an application written in C# can be connected to another application written in VB.NET. You will enjoy features like docking, automatic control anchoring, and in-place menu editor, all good for developing web applications. Next, we see the disadvantages of VB.NET. The first disadvantage is that VB.NET cannot handle pointers directly. So unlike languages like C, which can handle pointers directly, so VB.NET cannot handle pointers directly. This is a significant disadvantage since pointers are much necessary for programming. So additional coding will lead to many CPU cycles requiring more processing time, and thus your application becomes slow compared to the C programs. Next, because VB is an intermediate language, there are a large number of libraries required for the just-in-time compiler to interpret the application. So because VB is an intermediate language, so you need a large number of libraries. So as you have seen during the installation, that the installation size of VB is very large. So this is because you need a large number of .NET libraries when you are installing this software. So this means you require more hard drive space, more computing time, and then it might be a nuisance in the sense that if you might be needed to have internet connection sometimes to obtain some more libraries if they are needed. And then finally, VB.NET is easy to learn. This is not an advantage. So being easy to learn is this is not a disadvantage by itself. So, but since it is easy to learn, it has a side effect that this has led to a large talent pool. That is, you will find many people who are well developed in VB.NET. Therefore, it may be challenging to secure a job as a VB.NET programmer. So we have seen the advantages and disadvantages of VB.NET, its features, and a brief overview. In the next lecture, we'll look at variable names. Thank you.